Your mom's not here for a lot of this, so she needs to be. And this is how we can get her there. Watching her little granddaughter squirm and burp and poop and make funny faces. Oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Did we have a burpee? Huh? That was some good burpees there, Hayden. Yeah. That was some good burpees. How you got the hiccups? Well, that's an everyday occurrence. Let's see here. Let's say hi to Grandma Pierce. Hi, Grandma. Hello. Oh, how do you like me? I'm dancing. Oh, got the hickeys. I got the hickeys. Oh, oh, oh. Look like a little jumping bean. Look like a little jumping bean.